Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. And today we have the August 2021 Pink and Main box. And I don't really know what's in it because if you follow me at all, you know I've been a little crazy busy with some family stuff and things going on. But I could not wait. We got home just like 2 days ago, cleaned out the trailer, and I couldn't wait to show you this box. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what the box actually looks like. So this is going to be, if you haven't seen it yet, it's a surprise for both of us. So they always come in these beautiful pink boxes. And Michelle always has them. Oh, look. I mean, they are packaged so beautifully and I love it. And then inside is going to be your kit with your Pink and Main bag. And then you have your cardstock behind it. Let me pull this out and then we'll get talking about it. I'm going to set this off to the side so that you can be just as surprised as me. All right, so like I said, you're going to get your bag and Pink and Main is right on it. Ooh, I love that. And these bags are great. They're so good for travel and we tend to do a decent amount of it. And so these are great. So it's 11 inches by like 8 inches. So your cardstock isn't going to fit in there if it's all regular size. I mean, you'd have to really jam it in there. But I typically cut mine down before I travel. So this bag is fabulous. All right, so let me pull out the card that talks about what's in this kit. Oh my gosh, look at that. So here is the card. And those cards are so pretty. This could be a card front all on its own. So when you're done, don't throw it away. Pop that baby on a card, maybe add a few embellishments, and then you have a really pretty card. You make the world a better place. Oh, and I love how the globe has beautiful flowers on it. I hope that's one of the images. All right, so and on the back, it's going to give you a rundown of what's in it. So this is the August 2021 Crafty Courtyard Kit, The World to Me. So it's called The World to Me. And here's our color palette. I love that Michelle has that on the back. So that way you can go through your stash of inks or other embellishments or Copic markers or colored pencils, whatever you use, watercolor, and you can match them up. And that way when you just, especially if you are on the go, it just makes it that much easier. And I love matchy-matchy. Y'all know I love some matchy-matchy. So I'm going to set this card off to the side and we'll refer to it as we need to for what is in this kit if need be. So let's jump into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with some embellishments. We have our sequin pack. This is just, oh goodness, those are pretty. They're like kind of pastel colors. And there's a lot of like cute little flowers. I don't know if you can see those. They are tiny. And then you have these like iridescent ones that have some embossing on them. Let that kind of zoom in there. And then we have all the colors. And we even have some flat back sequins. This is beautiful. Such a beautiful sequin mix. This would be great for shakers and also obviously embellishing your cards. So lots in there. Ooh, and then we have the enamel dots, and these are glitter ones, and they go with the palette. And you all know I love these. They're so fun, easy to put on, and just beautiful. Here you go. Love all the sizes. Okay, now let's jump into our paper pad. Well, you know what? Let's do our cardstock first before I jump into the paper pad. Let's talk about the cardstock. Ooh, so you have some very thick, it's the ice rink. So great for card bases, nice and heavyweight. There's 2 of those. Then we have, I'm going to flip these upside down so I can read them. And then you have basil cardstock. So we've got Sandbox, and this has some beautiful Swiss dot texture to it. Then we have some Granny Smith. This has kind of a texture as well. We also have some Peacock, which this has some nice texture also. I love Peacock. Oh my goodness. We have a full sheet of glitter paper. This stuff is awesome. Great for die cutting. It doesn't come off on your hand. I mean, there might be a couple of flecks here and there, but this is great stuff. Then we also have the Purple Palisades. That has a nice little texture to it. And then we have Watermelon Sensation. This has no texture, but look at that color palette. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. So there's our cardstock. Obviously, everything matches. And then let's pull out the paper pad because I can't wait any longer. Oh my gosh. Oh, the world to me. So you get, it's a 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets, and they are front and back. Okay. And you'll have all, I always do this with my paper pads. I'd cut the top off because it just makes it easier to get in and out of. And let's pull them out. Oh, I can already tell you I'm in love. I can tell you I'm in love. Okay. So there's our, and it gives you all the patterns on there, but let's go through them one by one. Okay, so we have this one, really pretty. Kind of reminds me of like fireworks almost, but oh, that's pretty. Then we've got some dots. And then we have this one. Oh, golly, that's pretty. I just love that color. Oh, and that's like splatter. That's pretty. Very random pattern, I like it. More dots. We've got some pretty leaves. More dots in that color I love. Ooh, this pretty lilac. I do like that she usually has repeating patterns in there, especially like the dots. Dots are always a win. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. You could paper, like you could cut these out, have ephemera. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Love that. Then we have this yellow one, and then we're starting over, so I'm going to flip it. Ooh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. The dots. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, ooh, I love that. Love those stripes. Oh, and hearts, how fun. And then the world, or the globe again. Squigglies, I like it. I like this, more plaid. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little heart. See that? Oh, how cute is that? And then the back of this one is, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's going to be hard to decide. I love it. Super happy with all of it. Love it all. Okay. Oh, goodness. Just want to pet it and hoard it. But I got to use it. Okay. All right. Now we're going to get into these pieces that you're going to have. Like, these kits are such great stash builders. Here we have a stencil, and this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch stencil, so it fits on an A2 size card. I am wondering if this is one of those that's continuous. I'm going to see about that, so I'll play around with that. And continuous, I mean, like, could you use it on a slim line, or could you, you know, do it certain ways like that? But this is really pretty. I love those hearts, and I like how they're like different sizes. That's super pretty. Oh, we have an embossing folder, and look at that. It's like a zigzag. There's this one. Oh, chevron, I mean. Chevron embossing folder, and I love that these embossing folders are 6 inches by 6 inches. It just gives you more possibilities with them, because as you know, it is hard to like emboss something, move it, and try to emboss it again. It just flattens everything out. So these are usually not continuous. So this is nice that it is a big size. Stash builders, like I told you. Oh, and then we're going to get into the stamp set. But before we do that, I can't believe I forgot about the button. Here is my button. I don't know if they're all the same, but I have this cute little globe on the purple button. You know, it's got the little pin back to it. So you always get a button, get some flair. And this stamp set. Oh my gosh, check out the stamp set. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna have to, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it so that I can actually read it, because it's not popping down. Okay, let's push it in. There we go. Okay, oh, you've got that beautiful globe, then you have this beautiful swag of flowers, you've got some solid hearts, and you've got some great sentiments. You are my favorite person on earth. Oh, you mean the world to me. Welcome to the world, kid. Oh, that's fun. You can make baby cards. You make the world a better place. You may just be one person in this world, but to this person, you are my world. Oh, that gets me emotional. I love that. Sending a world of thanks. Oh, this is going to be so fun to create. I love this. And then check out our matching die. So it's going to work for the earth, the swag, and then we've got the hearts. So all the hearts, and then you have the word hello. So you have the hello, and then you also have the shadow. So it's like a shadow cut. I am curious if this would work on that patterned paper. Let me pull that out because I am super curious. Okay, go past it. Oh, here it is. Okay. I wonder if it would. It looks like it would. Let's check it out so I can tell you. I almost ruined the packaging. Okay, let's pop this off. Take a look. Oh my goodness, it works. So it'll work with all those as well. So you would have your own ephemera. That's amazing. I love it. So there you go. There you go. All right, well, if you follow me at all, you know that I'm going to have a bunch of cards to share with you. So if you liked this video, absolutely be sure to hit that like button. It lets other people know that this is out there because it'll promote it to more people. And then, so hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss what I make with it. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. But I do have a lot on my plate right now. I'm definitely going to be working on this. I don't know if I'll come out with the video as quickly as I normally would, but keep an eye out because I cannot wait to play with this. All right, everybody. Again, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and then I'm going to see you guys very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.